it's running. Okay. Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can use this helicopter IR controller model LH-1804R. Okay, and to use it, first of all you need to insert the battery to the remote, and after that you need to turn on the helicopter. But be careful when you turn on the helicopter. Please not input your hand of the rotation here. It will damage to your hand. So when you turn it on, the helicopter will work immediately. Okay. For example, now I turn it on, and now it's running. Okay. Okay. After that, when I press the right button, it now stop work. Okay, so remember this one start stop, and this one just the upper for the helicopter to go higher. Okay, now start, and then we go higher, and when we drop down a little bit we press more and more. Okay, when we stop using it, press the stop button, and now it goes down. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can use this helicopter IR control LH-1804R. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.